Hey, Brett here with my wife Carolyn. I want to take a minute and tell you about some really exciting changes taking place in the coming months at Lasar. When we took over the company in 2017, we began with some audacious goals for general aviation and how we could do airplane service. Lasar has a wonderful history, so it was very important to us to preserve and honor that as best as possible. As you can imagine, those ambitions were challenged with COVID-19, summer wildfires, and other unforeseen operational roadblocks. The good news is Lasar's vision and passion for airplane maintenance is as strong as ever. In fact, these challenges have actually forced us to dig deep and answer the tough questions when it comes to how to serve you, our customer, better.
The whole reason we exist is to provide cutting-edge aircraft maintenance and avionics installation and to make the process as smooth as possible for you. So, we came to the conclusion that we could do this much better if we were hands-on and in the trenches on a daily basis.
And that's why we're excited to announce that we have been given a huge opportunity to move our service center here to Prineville, Oregon. We will continue to offer the same services, however, we will be moving forward with fresh eyes. The Prineville Airport has a deep-rooted history with the community as well as supported goal by both city and county electives to ensure that it remains dedicated to aviation. Additionally, our new facility are made up of the old Les Schwab hangars, if you're familiar, which have significantly more space to expand our clientele and services beyond Mooney aircraft, and will allow us to cut down service turnaround times. We are doing our best to minimize any lapse in services. However, we will be taking 2 weeks between May 2nd and 16th to get physically moved and set up in our new location. We will begin taking on new maintenance and repair jobs beginning May 20th.
And to celebrate our grand opening, we would like to extend an offer of 10% off any service to the first 30 who book with us at our new site. And just to be clear, this offer is good for any service performed in 2022. All you need to do is be one of the first 30 to get on the schedule.
So give us a call right away to get your maintenance scheduled in Prineville. If you have any further questions about this move, feel free to reach out to me directly at brettstokes@lasar.com. Thanks so much for your continued support of Lasar throughout the years. It really means a lot to all of us here at Lasar.